Listen to me very carefully. If you want to command long-term industrial leverage, you must align your deployment capital with the global green energy transition infrastructure. The rapid expansion of decentralized power generation, commercial wind networks, and localized solar arrays has created an unprecedented, massive demand for large-scale energy storage systems. The businesses that control the manufacturing and assembly of heavy-duty grid storage modules hold the absolute keys to future energy independence. Today, we are cracking open the master industrial blueprint for a highly advanced green energy infrastructure asset. This is the complete, factory-customized, fully automatic solar and wind energy battery module pack production line. We have completely eliminated the heavily marked-up European equipment brokers to bring your enterprise direct, factory floor alignment with the primary global source of automated engineering. Let us break down the high-precision automated assembly and safety verification metrics driving this advanced manufacturing floor. This entire facility is a full servo, high-stability modular matrix engineered to execute continuous 24-hour processing cycles with zero mechanical downtime. The workflow begins at the automated cell ingestion and internal resistance sorting core, where high-speed testing modules verify the precise voltage and capacity of every component cell at millisecond speeds, ensuring perfect structural alignment across the eventual array. The verified components are instantly grabbed by high-speed multi-axis robotic pick-and-place
从精密组装到自动化流转，每一个环节都彰显着工业的精度与未来的可持续发展。
Look at the heavy-duty connectivity and digital management integration layers of this infrastructure asset. Once the cells are perfectly positioned within the heavy-gauge module casings, they transition directly beneath automated fiber laser spot welding stations. These advanced units deliver ultra-precise, high-frequency localized energy pulses to permanently fuse copper or nickel busbars across the terminals without introducing any
辉耀
structural
激
heat
光，以
degradation
速
to
度
the
与
internal
精度
chemical core.
驱动未来能源。
The line seamlessly integrates specialized high-capacity battery management system boards, applying automated thermal paste isolation and structural cover locks. The entire operation is governed by an enterprise-grade centralized PLC digital control system tied directly to automated quality assurance networks. Every completed energy module undergoes dynamic high-load simulation testing, insulation verification, and strict thermal camera monitoring before moving to the final product seal. This drops your operational labor overhead to absolute pennies while eliminating human margin of error. Stop chasing thin-margin retail trends with fragile supply networks. If you want to establish an untouchable industrial footprint, you buy your equipment directly from the primary manufacturing source and dominate the energy storage grid. We have secured direct factory primary pricing for this complete solar and wind battery pack line, shielding your capital from predatory middleman markups. Access our complete independent technical audit, download the system floor plans, and secure your direct procurement manual right now by clicking the link below. Command the green transition and build your manufacturing empire today.